Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute baby chick in an egg. Let's get started. First, we choose brown color and 6B pencil under sketching to draw a quick draft. Let's draw an egg shape first. Then add some zigzag line in the middle as the edge of the eggshell. Next, let's draw the cone on top. And this will be the face. Then draw the two cute wings. Now let's add a cute face for the little chick. We can adjust the lines a little bit if needed. And add the top half eggshell behind the cute chick. Also need to add some zigzag lines. Now let's add some leaves at the bottom. Next, add some small zigzag lines on the eggshell. Finally, we can use eraser to delete some extra lines and make our draft cleaner. Now we finish our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap two fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can start to draw our final artwork on a new layer. Change the brush to Studio Pen under inking and use the same color to draw the outlines based on the draft. If you are new here and want to watch more Procreate tutorials, tips, and cute drawing ideas like this, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below. Once we finish the outline drawing, we can hide the draft layer and start to fill colors. Create a new layer below the outline layer and change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on a separate layer based on the reference layer. We can just drag and fill the shape with different colors. Now we will draw the face on a new layer. Choose the medium brush and the airbrushing. And use Gaussian blur to blur the edge a little bit. Then select the coloring layer at the bottom and continue to fill colors for other elements. I will give the background a very light orange color. Don't forget to change our outline layer from reference back to normal after filling the colors. Now we can start to add some shadows for our drawing. Create a new layer and change the layer to clipping mask. Also change the blend mode to multiply. Then just add shadow on this layer. Now we're done for the cute cheek drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!